Hey guys, welcome back to yet another exciting video. AMP have gathered great attention among the crypto investor communities, which has resulted in the token listing on the major cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. Today, we're going to do precisely that, and we are going to give you all an insight into the AMP stance right now. And let's also check out the price prediction. Is it true that Coinbase is paying attention to AMP tokens? Before we move on, don't forget to drop a like. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe. Also, do click on the bell icon to turn on post notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. We are giving away $30 to 2 random subscribers at the end of the month. To enter the giveaway, all you need to do is like, subscribe and comment on your favorite crypto coin in the comment section below. AMP has received significant attention because it exhibits less volatility in prices than other tokens trading in the market. For instance, if you purchased any commodity using Bitcoin, the merchant might end up receiving less. It's mainly because the crypto world is highly volatile, and by the time the transaction is processed, the prices might have switched to a different value, thereby leaving the merchant out of pocket. Flex's AMP has taken the point mentioned above into concern. AMP works as a collateral token that backs up transactions on the Flexer platform. Users enable the platform function by staking their AMP token on the Flexer network and hence earn rewards. The entire process assures that the compensation received by the merchants is the same as intended. By doing so, the token and the network thrive by clearing the skepticism experienced in the crypto universe and thus enabling more users to purchase goods and services using cryptocurrencies. As you can imagine, by working on the concerned points, AMP will likely rise in demand shortly, as more and more people are now buying and holding digital assets. AMP was listed on major crypto exchanges including Coinbase and Binance in July 2021. Listing on Coinbase is considered a milestone in the crypto industry. Have you guys heard about the Coinbase effect? Well, it shows the importance and potential of a currency. The one fact that has generated great hype encompassing the cryptocurrencies is that it doesn't have a gatekeeper because it's decentralized. However, there is at least one gatekeeper that has the power to make or break digital assets. Coinbase plays a vital role in deciding which token will earn acceptance and which will be left behind. The impact caused by Coinbase undeniably holds more value than that of a stock index company. Why? Because unlike stocks, the majority of tokens haven't gained the regulator's blessing. Many entrepreneurs who aspire to enter the crypto space and purchase a few tokens beyond the household names, like Mighty Bitcoin and Ether, consider whether a token is listed on Coinbase or not. Believe it or not, AMP did manage to hit a new all-time high after getting listed on the Coinbase exchange. While recording this video on October 16th, the token is trading at 5.1 cents. Meanwhile, the 24-hour trading volume of the crypto is $63.1 million. The prices have moved up by 11.8% in the last 24 hours. The circulating supply of AMP is 48 billion AMP coins and has a total supply of 99.4 billion. If you are contemplating buying or selling AMP, Coinbase Exchange is currently the most active exchange. If we analyze the price chart of last month, we can infer that the trend indicates a positive momentum.
Okay, focus, Mitchell, focus.
The current price has developed a bullish candle, and AMP might well hit 6.1 cents by the end of the month. Looking at the price movement within the last 3 months, we can conclude some minor resistance levels were noted. AMP, however, has developed the potential to break past this resistance, and if AMP breaks past such resistance, we can conclude that AMP might hit an 8.5 cent valuation within the next 3 months. If the hype or the trend that is experienced encompassing the token is maintained, the prices would move up further and are predicted to hit 10 cents in valuation by the beginning of 2022. Now, let's get to know the technical analysis of AMP. It has exhibited a stronger higher price rejection candle at the overhead resistance trend line. The price is resonating in a descending triangle pattern.
Joseph?
Triangle.
The token price is presently at the doorstep of the overhead resistance trend line, indicating a long higher price rejection candle, indicating that the price will follow the trend to fulfill the triangle pattern. Accordingly, if the price is maintained below the trend line, the AMP could fall back over the bottom support of the $0.4 mark. The RSI value placed at 58 indeed indicates that a bullish momentum can be expected on the road. On top of it, the RSI line has shown an impressive surge in the growing value that will project the increase in strength of the market buyers. AMP to give a fake out from the inverted heart and shoulder pattern? Despite expressing a negative sentiment, the technical chart delivers hope for the long holders. The price moved past its neckline with a candle closing above it. However, several long higher price rejection candles and a long bearish developing retest candle imply the likelihood of a fake out of this pattern. Looking at the MACD indicator, we can conclude there is a bullish sentiment present now, and will be there in the future as both the MACD and the signal line are above the neutral zone. However, if we were to conclude the overall trend of the AMP token based on the technical perspective, we can tell it's following a bearish trend as of now. However, as mentioned earlier, the price exhibits a high possibility of sustaining its descending triangle pattern. Hence, traders should wait for a conclusive breakdown of this bottom support of this pattern to seize an impressive short trade for them. The current support level is maintained at a range of 5 cents, while the resistance point remains at the 5.8 cent level. At the Wallet Investor, it was predicted that AMP is an excellent long-term investment. If you were to buy AMP for $100 now, you would get 1,947.295 AMP. After considering the forecast reports, a long-term increase is predicted to occur, and the price prognosis for 2026 is 36.7 cents. Within 5 years, the revenue is expected to be up by around 614%. Your $100 investment might then surge up to $714 in 2026. AMP is expected to hit 13.9 cents by the end of 2021, based on the trend so far. Hence indicates a year-to-date change by 1,887%. The increase from today to year-end is 169%. In the first half of 2022, the AMP price will soar to 25.5 cents, and in the second half the price would forfeit to 1.44 cents and close the year after hitting 24 cents, which is a 364% increase from the current price. The price prediction between 2023 and 2027 indicates a significant increase. The prices are predicted to move from 24 cents to 80 cents, showing a rise of 233%. At the beginning of 2023, AMP will trade at 24 cents, then climb to nearly 29 cents within the first 6 months of the year and end 2023 on 38.67 cents. That implies an increase of 648% from today. From 2028 to 2032, the AMP price would surge from 80 cents to $1.28, indicating a hike of 60%. The year 2028 will start with AMP trading at 80 cents, then will dip to 87 cents within the first half of the year and will close by hitting 75 cents. It implies an increase of about 1,353% from today's price. It's necessary to keep in mind that cryptocurrency markets remain highly volatile, making it difficult to predict a coin's price accurately. You should do your research and evaluate the level of risk you are prepared to accept before investing. Please remember that cryptocurrency prices change frequently, so they may have switched to a completely different value by the time you watch this video. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. Before making any investment decisions, do your homework and consult with your financial advisor. So there you have it, and with that, we've come to the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed watching it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it inspiring and want to see more, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon to avoid missing out on any future content, and participate in the giveaway. See you all in the next video.